So today in northern Michigan, we got quite some snow today. I'm saying at top so far this is about 4 to 6 inches of snow, if not maybe more, because we still got more coming over at night. So yeah, kids, you want to build a snowman, today's your chance. This is really good packing snow, perfect to build a snowman today. Yep, the wind's kicking a little bit, it's covering the pine trees and all that stuff. But yeah, it's a beautiful winter wonderland. So beautiful. I just love this wintry weather. Sure, it's a little cold, but you know what? It's very, very, very beautiful. Stay safe, stay warm, and get yourself cappuccinos, hot cocoa, or tea, or whatever else you need to keep yourself warm in this weather. Because I'm going to heat me up some in a little bit. Peace out. Love y'all.